Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. So I went to TJ Maxx and I found this treasure right here. It is from Too Faced, the Sparkling Pineapple Palette. As you already know, Too Faced includes a guide, and on the back you have the name of each shadow. And check it out, it does look gorgeous. It smells so good. So we're gonna start with the first shadow, and this one is called Yum Yum. It is a shimmery color. It looks like that. Once you swatch it on the skin, it gives you this champagne color. Moving on to a matte shadow, it's called Coconut Sugar. It is a dark brown color. And then we have a shimmery color. This one is called Passports and Pineapples. This one, you can actually see different colors in it. I love this type of colors because, I don't know, it's always a surprise, right? Moving on to Sparkling Pineapple, and this one is also a shimmery shade, and it is a dark golden shade. And when you swatch it, it is so pigmented, you guys. Look at this. Beautiful. Moving on to Island Queen, and this one is a matte shade. It's kind of like a lighter type of brown. And then you have Tutti Cutie, and this one is a shimmery shade. It is on a pinkish pearl type of color. Beautiful for highlight. As you already know, when you swatch on your hand, it's different as how they will perform once you put them to the test. So for this particular palette, I decided to go ahead and test it out with you. And the last shade here is called Pineapple Cooler, and it is matte. So this is what we have so far. I'm gonna go ahead and start by using this color. It's called Island Queen, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my lid like so as a transitional shade. I am using a fluffy brush, and I'm going back and forth and also using circular motions. I want to make sure that the shadow is well blended on my lid. Then moving on with also a blending brush. It's a little bit tapered. I will be using the darker shade Coconut Sugar, and what I want to do is to emphasize it on the crease of the eye. I want to create some depth to the eye, so this brush will give me the chance to keep that shade where I want it to. My friends, I hope that you are liking the video so far. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you already have, let me know what you want to see on the next video. And then I'm going to go back to the previous brush and just blend everything out. I use Passport and Pineapples, and here when I'm using it, it looks kind of green, which it is adorable. However, I wanted more intensity, so I went ahead and just wet my brush and applied it like so, and then I went back to that darker shade and I'm just blending it out like so. I will use Tutti Cutie to highlight my brow bone in the inner corner, or the tear dot, and I'm gonna go back to the dark brown and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on the waterline like so. And of course, to blend it out, I will also use Island Queen, and I'm just gonna buff it right underneath the darker color. And for the waterline, I decided to use a flesh type of pencil. For this look, I decided to do a cut liner. I will be using these lashes today, and my friends, this is the final look. I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.